What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm the Kentucky Beardsman. If you enjoyed the content you are watching, have watched, or about to watch, please consider subscribing. If you do, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you click that notification bell. That way you're notified of all of my upcoming content. Also, check out my playlist. I've got tons of old videos, tons more to come. And I also have a series called Bearding on a Budget, where I review, give you tips, tricks, and hacks, but I also review quality companies at a budget-friendly price. Today's video is brought to you by the one, the only 607 Beard Care. 607 Beard Care is owned by a great man named William. Super awesome guy. He is not a newbie to the beard game. He's been around for quite some time. He had to shut down his company just for a brief period, had to take care of some personal issues, and now he is back, better than ever, with a new blend called the 50 Cal line. William did reach out to me. He did send me these products. I paid for shipping, and these are amazing. Super awesome. First and foremost, I want to say that. Now, this is the 607 beard oil in the 50 Cal blend. And the scent is called Five Wise Men. The scent is not for the faint of heart. This is a strong, super strong, smoky, manly, dark, rich, earthy scent. It's got frankincense, myrrh, smoke, all kind of really nice, dark, rich scents. Now, scent duration, 12 plus hours, easy. Maybe, probably a little bit more if I'd have left it in my beard for longer than that, but 12 hours and you could still smell it. Like you could back up just a little bit, no problem. Catching tons of smell, tons of scent. It is a really awesome scent. Is it my favorite scent? No, not necessarily. I'm not a huge on the frankincense and myrrh and stuff like that, but it is a great scent. He also offers tons of other scents. He's got the oud scents. He's got cherry tobaccos. He's got tons of different options. He's got poured butter, whipped butter, oils. He's got a little bit of everything, guys. Now, the ingredients on this beard oil are black seed oil, moringa seed, pomegranate seed, kiwi seed, sea buckthorn, avocado, metafoam, essential and fragrance for scent. Now, it's got a couple different ingredients that I haven't seen in other beard oils, and that is kiwi seed and pomegranate seed. So I was very curious, did a little research. Really awesome stuff. Really great for the follicles, the skin, for the hair as well. Fill-in beard on this is top notch. It is super, super great fill-in beard. It is very soft, very nourishing feel. It almost gives you that feeling of right before your beard gets dry after you wash it, like it's extra super soft and movable, and just the way that feels, that's the way this oil makes your beard feel. Now, a 1 ounce beard oil is going to cost you $22.99. Whoa, that is expensive, right? Wrong. It is free shipping. He has free shipping on his oils, butters, all of his stuff. It is free shipping. So basically you're paying $16 for a 1 ounce beard oil. Really awesome. Not above average. It's right there around that average price range. So don't freak out when you see the $22.99. That is with shipping included. Now, William also sent me the 2 ounce 50 Cal blend poured version of the butter. It's also in the Five Wise Men. Now, the scent strength in this is exactly the same as it is in the oil. This butter, though, is one of the better butters that I own. I'm 100%, you'll see more of this on my shelf here very soon. This is a great, great nighttime butter. If you are one of those guys that maybe going on vacation or whatever it may be and you haven't taken care of your beard very well, or you just haven't taken care of it at all, and your beard's a little bit dry, or if you just want your beard to have that extra nourished, extra soft feel, go to this. This shit is amazing. Excuse my French, but it's really kind of revolutionary, I guess we'll call it, when it comes to softness of the beard. The ingredients on this, and there are a bunch of them. The ingredients are shea butter, cocoa butter, coconut oil, lanolin, almond butter, avocado butter, aloe vera butter, beeswax, sweet almond oil, hemp seed oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, sea buckthorn oil, apricot kernel oil, fragrance and essential for scent. That is a big mouthful, but it is so freaking good, guys. He mixed up a hell of a freaking butter. This is the smoothest, the softest, the creamiest butter I've ever seen. I'm just barely dragging my finger across, and you can see it is moving it around like it is nothing. You can literally, and I've done this multiple times, you can blow a hot breath on top of the oil and the top just starts to melt. This stuff melts down so fast, and it is so, so nourishing. The 2 ounce poured butter will cost you $22.99. Again, free shipping, So your shipping's basically added to the price. Now you can get a 4-ounce whipped butter also as well. That is $26.99 with free shipping. You can get a combo, 1-ounce oil, 2-ounce poured butter for $39.99. Hell of a deal for what you're getting. This stuff, again, stupid soft. Really, really happy with these butters. If you haven't noticed, I've got a smile on my face as I say it. Again, you're going to see a bunch more 607 Beard Care on my shelf very soon. Also, you cannot go to 607beardcare.com. He does not have a website per se like that. You have to go to Etsy. I will drop the link down in the description below. I highly recommend checking out this 50 cal line. I'm telling you guys, this stuff is amazing. Really, really awesome stuff. William has made something super, super special here. Again, go to Etsy, type in 607 Beard Care, and boom, it'll pop everything up. And don't forget that all the oils, butters, and everything include free shipping. So your shipping is added to the price of the oil, butter, or whatever it is. So again, guys, check out 607 Beard Care. Kentucky Beardsman out.